Hello, and thank you for your recent order of the NuFACE Trinity. I'm Heather, Current Body's resident product expert, and I'm going to be talking to you today about the do's and don'ts for treating with NuFACE. Do make sure that you read all of the instructions before your first use. This will give you all of the information that you need to know before starting your treatment, and also which direction and where to start for each area that you are treating. Do make sure that you cleanse thoroughly before treatment with a non-oil based cleanser, as the oil can deflect the microcurrent, so it means that the microcurrent doesn't penetrate below the surface of the skin in the way that it should. Also, I use some of the Prep and Glow cloths as the dual-sided, so I can exfoliate after I've cleansed and make sure that I get right into the crevices and I've got no oil left on my skin. Do make sure that you apply primer before treating. You only need a thin layer, just so much that you can glide the device over the skin. You shouldn't be able to feel the microcurrent when carrying out your treatment. If you do, it's because you've not applied enough primer, but it does have electrolytes in it, so it's perfect for retaining skin's moisture as well. We do also have the NuFACE 24 Karat Gold Primer, which is formulated in either the brightening solution or the firming solution. It's perfect for boosting the results of your NuFACE device, and it comes with a really nice applicator brush, so it goes on much more evenly onto the skin. When you're first treating, do make sure that you try it on the lowest setting first, just so that you can get accustomed to the sensation. You can then build it up. To be honest, it doesn't feel that different, it's working stronger below the surface of the skin. Like I said earlier, you're not supposed to feel microcurrent when you're doing the treatment. So the NuFACE Trinity can be used in conjunction with both the ELE and the wrinkle reducer attachment. The ELE attachment is perfect for targeting fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes, lips, and it's also really good if you have a particularly stubborn wrinkle, such as 11 lines or nasolabial folds. You can use it there to kind of hold and lift during your treatment, and it really helps tackle these areas. The LED light therapy attachment uses red, amber and LED to essentially stimulate the production of collagen elastin further below the surface of the skin than microcurrent. So when you're using it in conjunction with the NuFACE Trinity, you're getting the production of collagen elastin from different layers of the skin. So it's really, really good for kind of boosting your results and also rejuvenating the skin. Do make sure that you put on any of your night creams and serums after your NuFACE treatment. Microcurrent will boost the absorption of any of your skincare products, so we do recommend that this is the best time to apply them. I use the NuFACE Lifter Serum because it's perfect for lifting, brightening and hydrating the skin as well. You can also use the NuFACE Optimizing Mist after your treatment. It's got aloe vera and hyaluronic acid in it as well, so it's perfect for keeping skin's moisture. Do be patient with the results. It takes the body 8 weeks to produce new collagen, so it's around this time that people start to notice the changes. It does depend on the current condition of your skin, but lots of people do notice a result straight away because microcurrent works on the muscles too. So it will lift at the same time as working below the surface to produce new collagen elastin. Don't just treat the area of concern. So if you have nasolabial folds, make sure that you treat this area, but you also treat the cheeks and outwards to ensure that this is where you create the lift from as well. Don't miss your treatments. It's really important that you stick to it, especially in the first 4 weeks, because this is when you create most of the new collagen elastin. So for the first 4 weeks, you treat 5 times a week. So I tend to do it Monday to Friday and then have the weekends off. And then after this 4-week period, it's 2 to 3 times weekly. Don't be afraid to treat for a little longer than the 5 minutes that's recommended. You can treat for up to 15 minutes, so if you feel comfortable doing this, then absolutely go for it. Don't forget to take before and after pictures. This is the best way that I find to track progress. That's all from me, but if you do have any questions, you can email me at sales@currentbody.com and I'll be more than happy to help.